Welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. Over the weekend I put together a breakfast casserole. It was really easy to make. It took a little while to bake, but putting it together was super fast, so it gave me a chance to get some laundry done and some other things around the house. I had some leftover vegetables from a class I was teaching, so I wanted to use them up. So I don't really have a recipe for this. It was more of just get into my fridge, see what's in there, and make a breakfast casserole out of it. So let me know what you think.